HMD Global introduced the Nokia C20 last April 2021 as their latest budget smartphone under the C series model. Now, the Nokia C20 is already available in authorized resellers and e-commerce sites with a retail price for only $4,690. Let's do a quick review to check out the features, performance, and camera samples of the Nokia C20. Inside the box, you'll be receiving the Nokia C20 unit, clear jelly case protector, USB charging adapter, earphones, micro USB cable, product safety info, starter guide, and screen protector which is already applied. The Nokia C20 also comes with a removable battery as well. The Nokia C20 is made of a sturdy and high-quality polycarbonate material that are made to last. Expect the Nokia C20 also gets its famous Nordic design elements marked by a sleek, clean and minimalist, reliable and stylish quality. On top, you have the 3.5mm port for your earphones, while the microphone and micro USB connector at the bottom. On the left side holds the power, lock key, and volume control buttons. On the front, the display of the Nokia C20 comes with a 6.5-inch HD+ LCD+ display with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. The front-facing camera is enclosed in a water drop notch design with the earpiece and flash beside it. The bezels all around the display are a bit thick, especially at the bottom chin, which you'll find the Nokia logo. At the back panel, you have a circular rear camera setup design paired with a LED flash, a Nokia logo at the center, and the loudspeaker at the bottom right. For our review unit, we have the dark blue color. The back panel can be removed, revealing the slots for the battery, dual nano SIM, and the micro SD card. The Nokia C20 runs on Android 11 Go edition with no bloatware or even customized skins. What you get is pure Google stock Android apps. The only pre-installed apps that comes along is the Facebook Lite. You also get 2 years of quarterly security updates, letting you feel comfortable knowing that your files, videos, photos, and data are always safe. The device is powered by a 1.5 GHz Unisoc octa-core processor, paired with a 2 GB memory and a 32 GB of internal storage. If the built-in storage is not enough, you can expand it more via a microSD up to 256 GB. The Nokia C20 offers a single camera setup on its rear, while the front-facing camera housed in a V-notch style. Both the rear and the front camera offers a 5-megapixel lens with an available LED flash. You can shoot more closely to your subject with up to 4x zoom capability only. For videos, both rear and the front camera supports 1080p and 720p resolution at 30 frames per second. Here are some photo and video samples using the Nokia C20. The Nokia C20 has a 3000 mAh removable battery. The back panel can easily be taken out to put the battery inside the phone. Charging time on the Nokia C20 will take you almost 3 hours for a full charge. For security, there's no fingerprint scanner on the Nokia C20, but it has face unlock plus additional security features such as screen lock and smart lock. If you're on a limited budget and Android user for the first time, or simply you want to have a secondary phone, then you can choose the Nokia C20. Although it has some older or less advanced features, it still offers some noteworthy qualities. You get a solid build quality, smooth Android 11 Go edition that's clean and free from bloatware, expandable storage, 2-year security updates, and a large display. The Nokia C20 is also a nice device for your young ones because of the built-in parental controls feature, so you can monitor their usage and screen time, giving you an extra peace of mind. On taking photos and videos, at only 5 megapixel, we were able to get some good shots along the way, but noise on the photos are visible especially on low light conditions. But on a well-lighted environment, you may get decent shots, plus the camera app is not too complicated to use. We were a bit happy seeing again a phone that offers a removable battery. My last experience of having to use a removable battery was on my Nokia C6. It was again a trip down memory lane. The 3000 mAh battery of the Nokia C20 can almost get you throughout the day on its standby time. Continuous usage, especially if you're watching movies with the display brightness on 100%, makes the battery drain a bit faster. Overall, the Nokia C20 has its ups and downs but did a fair good job during our tests. So if you're not particular of the specs and want a budget-friendly secondary phone, then the Nokia C20 might be suitable for you. Thank you for watching our review. Please follow and support us by subscribing to our channel.